with Splash and the Soldier the Game Spitter, with the baby situation, with the remarks he said at the Rolling Loud concert. Can he get canceled? No. But can he lose money? Will he lose money? Yes. Certain companies will pull back from him. Certain artists won't do a song with him. Or if they did, they'll take him off the song. Like what you see happening. Potential sponsorships and endorsement won't deal with him in the future. Anybody who do big business with the LGBT community ain't gonna touch the baby. They ain't gonna rock with him. They ain't gonna do no business with him. So that's gonna mess up some superstar money, like your endorsements and your deals and certain songs with certain artists, because you're a superstar. And that's gonna mess up some of your superstar image. Certain awards or certain radio stations, certain venues might not book you. You know how that goes. So you'll lose a couple 100,000, a couple M's based on a potential money you could have made, or deals you already did with these people and they pulling back. So that can mess up some 6-figure, 7-figure checks. Now they want to fake your show money, your feature money. They still stay the same, your walkthroughs and all that there. The only way this will become a big problem for you is too many big names start speaking up, like Elton John. Too many big artists start speaking up, pulling back from you. Too many big companies, too many big brands start speaking up and pulling back from you. And then once people start seeing all these big people pulling back from you and speaking up, that'll make people follow the leader, and they'll start pulling back, and they'll just follow the trend. People, when they against it, they'll start flipping on you. And all you'll have is the street artists, the street rappers having your back. And they ain't powerful enough. They ain't powerful enough. So that's if it get ugly. And situations like that, and what can make that happen is social media keep reposting it over and over. When the baby respond, it ain't what they want to hear, or they say it's more disrespectful. You know, situations like that. Other rappers speaking up, other street rappers saying how they feel. They get madder. Yeah, the LGBT, they might make some phone calls and some IOUs, and the next time the baby get in trouble, he go straight to prison. He don't come about this situation. Because if the baby wasn't a rapper and he had this cocky attitude and claimed his gangster image, and he had an agent, his agent, and this situation happened, his agent would just make him pay, like, donate the LGBT like 100,000, 200,000, maybe do him a free concert, and that would have been over with. Apologize, give him a good apology, pay him a couple 100,000, 100,000, 50,000, give him a free show, be on about your business. But with the rappers, they ain't doing that. They ain't paying no fines. They gonna stand on what they said. They might apologize, say they don't mean no disrespect, or they ain't mean it like this way. That's the most you're gonna get out of them. They ain't finna do. Now in certain other situations where they dug themselves in the hole a little deeper, or they said something a little bit worse, or they'll pay or do what they need to do or make the right apology. But situations like this, the baby feel like he getting all his money and he got all these shows coming up. He's still booked up. A couple of brands might pull back. Some might, you know, come in the future and do business with him still. Or it'll blow over. It ain't that serious. It's, you know, it's just something to talk about right now. And then, yeah. Or it could really become a problem. I'm telling you. It just depends. All the rappers that's speaking up on behalf of the baby, they already in a hot seat anyway. So in the matter, of course, they'll say something. Of course, Boosie will say something. He already in a hot seat. They already took his big IG page. Of course, T.I. say something. He already in a hot seat. When they shouldn't say nothing, because they already in a hot seat. A wise man would think they wouldn't even say nothing on that, because why would you speak on that, Boosie, and you want your IG page back? That's not a good way. That's another phone call that can get made. That's another reason to say no. That's like kind of like a hate speech. They can kind of throw that in there, put that in the category. T.I., you facing these attempted charges. They're trying to charge you with this stuff. You see what I'm saying? And that ain't a good topic to, you know, go on and rant about. But, you know, it'll get your name in the media and all that, and you looking out for the baby, your partner. So, yeah, you know, I stand with you too. I'm just saying, the people who speaking out, I see why they're doing it, because they feel like what they got to lose, they're going to do what they're going to do anyway. But not really. You know, you could just re-piss them off. They could have been, you know, we're going to let them slide, and you re-piss them off, and yeah, it could be like that. And the baby, anytime you're in the hot seat, all them gatekeepers, they ain't going to stand by you. Like Jay, Diddy, anybody who go to that Rock Nation brunch, they're not going to stand by you. They're not going to represent for you. They ain't going to hold you down. They ain't going to invite you nowhere. They ain't going to do you. They ain't going to put you on no songs. No gatekeepers ain't going to do none of them. They're going to keep their distance from you until you cool down. The only gatekeeper that'll still show you some love is 50 Cent. And like he did, he still repost you. While you in the midst of, while you in the hot seat, he still post you. Because he don't even rock with them, so of course he'll post you. That's why you shouldn't even say, I need to do how to get a song with Jay-Z. You should have said how to get a song with Fifth. He's still going to repost you and keep that same energy, keep that same love when you're in the hot seat. Like how T.I. doing and Boosie doing. But 50 is more like a gatekeeper with the movies and the acting and everything. He a gatekeeper for that. So it's more of a risk when he reposts you. It mean more when he reposts you. He go look at your new video while you're in the hot seat. So he should gain a lot of extra cool points from you. Him, Tip, and Boosie. Anybody who hold you down or stand by you in this time right here. Straight up. Now, baby, you got to watch these certain big platforms on social media like the Shade Room, Academics, Say Cheese, Breakfast Club, Vlad TV. Because what they'll do, how they'll help them out, how they'll work it out, how they'll make the team work, being a team player, they'll keep it alive. They'll keep reposting it. Every time they interview you, they'll ask you about it. They'll keep it alive. Then when they ask you about it on interview, they'll repost it on all media, social media platforms. Keep it alive and make you respond again. Keep people mad at you. Make more people come out against it. I'm telling you, they'll do that. So you got to be careful. Watch the ones who they say they really rock with you. They keep reposting it. All right, it's hot right now. Everybody talking about it. But after a while, they keep reposting every time somebody says something. Every time anybody, even a fan, say something, they'll repost it. Yeah, they're part of the plan. They're part of getting you canceled if it's a real cancel culture. And the more you talk about it, it's more of a chance you can say something else they don't like, or to make them re-mad again and make them go even harder. And this time, business is really starting to pay attention. Certain artists, big artists, Rihanna and them, Beyonce and them, Jay-Z and them, the same people you want to do a song with, they say, nah, we ain't gonna touch that. Because these people, they support us so much, they give us so much money. We make so much money, we don't want to piss them off doing a song with them. Plus, you got Megan Thee Stallion. You know what I'm saying? She don't rock with you. So they just put you right with Tory Lanez and paint y'all as the bad guy. When y'all collab, the bad guy. You know what I'm saying? You had that campaign against you. And you'll go through your little embarrassment phase if it worked in their favor. That's if it worked. You might not even get a damn. It might not even phase you. But that's what the people think. So it is what it is. Other than that, they can't stop nothing. But show money's still gonna come. Future money's still gonna come. He's still gonna make them hits. His other investments still gonna work. He good. You lose some money, he wins some. Find another way. You get the money from another source, another way. So, that's how it is. Can't make everybody happy. You step on certain toes, you make sure you crush them. Destroy them completely. Yeah, and he stand on that. And whatever consequences come behind that, he stand on that. Or could the consequence be so harsh, it'll make him say sorry or do whatever they want him to do to make them pull back and give him another chance again. If it's that serious. That's if, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, that's my take on the situation. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, man. Go.